Today we're showing you a 2017 New Holland Workmaster 50 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 611 TL quick attach front loader. The tractor has just under 100 hours on it. It's practically brand new. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2020. Skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. Paint is in excellent condition on the tractor and loader. Has the industrial tires, which are in excellent condition. Still see the pips on the tires. Has the foldable rollover bar. Top link goes with the tractor. Drawbar is here. Has the 540 PTO. Also has the telescopic 3-point arms. Toolbox back here within easy reach. Again, this tractor is practically brand new. Nice suspension seat for the operator. It does have the mechanical shuttle up here on the dash, which allows you to change direction in each gear. The tractor has two ranges here to the left of the seat. Also has the PTO engagement and the four-wheel drive engagement here to the left of the seat. To the right, you've got your primary transmission stick. You've got 4 gears on that lever. Also have your hydraulic and 3-point lever to the far right. Loader control also right there within easy reach. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing on our tractors. The tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.